In today's video, let me show you how to fix UAE bank two-factor auth problem. Now there can be a few cases to this. First of all, if you're not receiving the code via your SMS, or if you have the Authenticator app enabled, and even when you add in the code, you're not being able to log into your account. In this situation, what you need to do is make sure that you have not connected to any sort of VPNs. So if you are currently connected to VPNs or any sort of proxies, make sure you first of all disable it. Secondly, make sure that the date and time settings within your device is also set to automatic. Simply head over to the settings of your phone, head over to the date and time settings, and make sure that it is set to automatic or the automatic time zone. Now if these are not the cases for you, then what you also need to do is try to clear out the app data. Simply tap and hold the application, the bank application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage and tap on clear storage and clear cache. If you're using an iPhone, you need to head over to your iPhone settings and then offload the application. Now if you can log into your account, you also need to make sure that you have enabled the push notification and the background app refresh as well. So within your device, again, what you can do is head over to the same settings, head over to notifications and make sure that the notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.